Welcome to English Daily Lesson. Learn 30 vegetables name in English. Let's start. Potato. Potato. Meaning, a common root vegetable. Meaning, a common root vegetable. Sentence, I like potato curry. Sentence, I like potato curry. Tomato. Tomato. Meaning, a red juicy vegetable. Meaning, a red juicy vegetable. Sentence, the tomato is fresh. Sentence, the tomato is fresh. Onion. Onion. Meaning, a round vegetable with layers. Meaning, a round vegetable with layers. Sentence, onion makes me cry. Sentence, onion makes me cry. Carrot. Carrot. Meaning, a long orange vegetable. Meaning, a long orange vegetable. Sentence, carrot is good for health. Sentence, carrot is good for health. Cabbage. Cabbage. Meaning, a leafy green vegetable. Meaning, a leafy green vegetable. Sentence, the cabbage is fresh. Sentence, the cabbage is fresh. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Meaning, a white flower-like vegetable. Meaning, a white flower-like vegetable. Sentence, I eat cauliflower curry. Sentence, I eat cauliflower curry. Spinach. Spinach. Meaning, a green leafy vegetable. Meaning, a green leafy vegetable. Sentence, spinach is healthy. Sentence, spinach is healthy. Brinjal. Brinjal. Meaning, a purple vegetable. Meaning, a purple vegetable. Sentence, brinjal tastes good. Sentence, brinjal tastes good. Peas. Peas. Meaning, small green vegetables. Meaning, small green vegetables. Sentence, peas are sweet. Sentence, peas are sweet. Cucumber. Cucumber. Meaning, a long green vegetable. Meaning, a long green vegetable. Sentence, cucumber is fresh. Sentence, cucumber is fresh. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Meaning, a large round vegetable. Meaning, a large round vegetable. Sentence, the pumpkin is big. Sentence, the pumpkin is big. Radish. Radish. Meaning, a white root vegetable. Meaning, a white root vegetable. Sentence, radish is healthy. Sentence, radish is healthy. Garlic. Garlic. Meaning, a strong-smelling vegetable. Meaning, a strong-smelling vegetable. Sentence, garlic adds flavor to food. Sentence, garlic adds flavor to food. Ginger. Ginger. Meaning, a spicy root vegetable. Meaning, a spicy root vegetable. Sentence, ginger tea tastes good. Sentence, ginger tea tastes good. Beetroot. Beetroot. Meaning, a dark red root vegetable. Meaning, a dark red root vegetable. Sentence, beetroot is healthy. Sentence, beetroot is healthy. Capsicum. Capsicum. Meaning, a colorful vegetable. Meaning, a colorful vegetable. Sentence, capsicum looks fresh. Sentence, capsicum looks fresh. Chili. Chili. Meaning, a spicy vegetable. Meaning, a spicy vegetable. Sentence, chili is very hot. Sentence, chili is very hot. Corn. Corn. Meaning, a yellow vegetable with seeds. Meaning, a yellow vegetable with seeds. Sentence, I like boiled corn. Sentence, I like boiled corn. Lettuce. Lettuce. Meaning, a leafy green vegetable. Meaning, a leafy green vegetable. Sentence, lettuce is used in salad. Sentence, lettuce is used in salad. Broccoli. Broccoli. Meaning, a green healthy vegetable. Meaning, a green healthy vegetable. Sentence, broccoli is good for health. Sentence, broccoli is good for health. Mushroom. Mushroom. Meaning, a soft edible vegetable. Meaning, a soft edible vegetable. Sentence, mushroom soup is tasty. Sentence, mushroom soup is tasty. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Meaning, a sweet root vegetable. Meaning, a sweet root vegetable. Sentence, sweet potato tastes sweet. Sentence, sweet potato tastes sweet. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Meaning, a long green vegetable. Meaning, a long green vegetable. Sentence, bottle gourd is healthy. Sentence, bottle gourd is healthy. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Meaning, a bitter green vegetable. Meaning, a bitter green vegetable. Sentence, bitter gourd is healthy. Sentence, bitter gourd is healthy. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger. Meaning, a long green vegetable. Meaning, a long green vegetable. Sentence, ladyfinger tastes good. Sentence, ladyfinger tastes good. Turnip. Turnip. Meaning, a white root vegetable. Meaning, a white root vegetable. Sentence, turnip is fresh. Sentence, turnip is fresh. Celery. Celery. Meaning, a green crunchy vegetable. Meaning, a green crunchy vegetable. Sentence, celery is healthy. Sentence, celery is healthy. Zucchini. Zucchini. Meaning, a soft green vegetable. Meaning, a soft green vegetable. Sentence, zucchini tastes good. Sentence, zucchini tastes good. Spring onion. Spring onion. Meaning, a long green onion. Meaning, a long green onion. Sentence, spring onion adds flavor. Sentence, spring onion adds flavor. Mint. Mint. Meaning, a fresh green herb. Meaning, a fresh green herb. Sentence, mint smells good. Sentence, mint smells good.